Hey guys, welcome back. And finally I bought DJI Osmo Action 6. And guess what? I made one expensive mistake. The mistake is I couldn't stop buying accessories. None of these come from DJI. Every single accessories here was bought with my own money because I wanted to find out if they are actually worth it or not. Are they really useful for my use case? And the funny thing is, I'm not a professional photographer or videographer. I usually shoot everything in auto mode, just like many other beginners. So instead of giving you a technical review, I'm going to test every accessory from a beginner's perspective and see which one actually make a difference, which one are worth your money and which one you can confidently skip. And in this video I'm going to unbox the main DJI Action camera. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we are finally opening or unboxing this brand new DJI Action 6. I have been looking forward to adding this to my content creation setup, although I am not creating a lot of videos, but whenever I go out I try to capture the moment around Singapore. So let's get started. So my first impression is the packaging. See, the packaging feels premium, like it has very smooth surface. So that's how it comes with. It's a standard combo, so there are multiple variants of this Action 6. There are adventure combo which comes with all the accessory which required for some additional shots, but fortunately I have found it on Carousel deal, which is very popular website in Singapore. So it's already unboxed. I mean, the first owner of this phone, they already unsealed it, but they never use it. Even they never open the camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it and let's see what's inside. So this is the main camera unit. Let's keep it aside and see what else we have inside the box. So there are some as DJI documentation, some stickers which I'm not going to use it. There are another instruction for quick mount release. There is a quick mount, which is the new version of quick mount, which is this part is magnetic and it's a dual mount. So in a previous generation of this camera they had this mount similar to that, but it only works for one side. So you have to put your camera, and if you have to turn, then you have to turn the setup as well. So it has the logo here. You can see the logo, which is Osmo, and it seems very premium. The second thing, I have this this attachment. I'm not sure where to use it, but I think it's not for my purpose, so I'm keeping it aside as well. Second thing comes with this lock for the mount, which is again very useful when you are mounting it on your neck or on your bicycle or on your selfie stick. There's a very useful tool to mount, and there is type C to type C cable, which can be used to charge and import and export your files from your computer to the last but not least. This is the sticker I have, but I don't know the exact use of it, what it going to use, so I'm keeping it aside. So this camera itself, these are the features of this camera. So what it say, let me read it out. It's a 1.1 sensor. So there is a rechargeable battery, type C, protective film, magnetic quick release adapter, curved adhesive mount, locking screw, anti-slip pads, documentation. Let's take a closer look at the camera itself. The first thing I notice is how compact and lightweight it feels in my hand. So that's the device. The front feature is this color touch screen here. It has the front touch screen, and I have a bigger, this is the front touch screen, so if I'm recording something for myself I can see here, and this side is a bigger touch screen. And despite the small size, the build quality extremely good. I really like the build quality. So this is the part for mount adapter. Then you can use this mount to adapt. It just goes like this, and with this dual side, it has a handle. You just pull it out and you just put to other side. So you just have to turn and turn out. So that's why it calls dual mount magnetic adapter. And I really like this DJI magnetic mounting system. Instead of struggling with the screw and here and there, it's really easy to attach in, lock in, lock out, and it's very strong. It feels very strong, so you can feel safe when you are mounting it somewhere. The camera, let's remove the camera peel. This is how camera looks like. So this is the Action 6 features 1.1 sensor that's written here, image sensor that can capture more lighter and better quality images, as well as it helps to create a vertical and horizontal shot at once. So let's press it on. And here, as we can see, the recording from the front side, from the back side, everything is visible on the camera screen. So it has multiple features: photos, videos, super night mode, portrait mode, and subject tracking, slow motion, as well as time lapse. So these are the main capturing features we have here. Let's go into the settings, and here we have so why did I choose the DJI Osmo Action 6? It's all about portability. I wanted a camera that is small enough, because I'm capturing my video in here in Singapore and holding everything in my hand. Sometimes it's not comfortable when people see your camera power button, and this is the recent update from previous generation of this camera, that earlier they have the direct button to open this area. This time you have to slide this way and at the time push down to see this adapter. Earlier there was only a button to push in, push out, so it can easily open it, accidentally open. So let me switch it off. The camera is switched off. Then this is other side where you see the battery. So again you have to press this side, just slide up, press this side, slide up, then you can see the battery. So here is 1950 mAh battery we have here. Again put it back, lock it up, done. So this is how we have the logo. Additionally, I bought this a magazine a magazine. Recently I bought this additional adapter. The feature for this additional adapter is sometimes you have to bind on this side. It can be fold, so if you just can put it on and you can mount here as well. So if you have any adapter which is like a screw there, you can mount, or you can use the normal adapter. So that's the advantage of this particular adapter, which I bought separately. And there is another thing to protect the camera cover. I have bought this additional cover to protect the camera. So this goes like this, so that can protect your lens. This additional comes with the lens which I have, which I'm going to open in a next video. So this protector comes from that lens, so that can protect your camera. And on top of that, I have this casing to protect or keep it safe. That is from Telesin, which is very good quality. The build quality is very good, solid. It's hard case, and it also has this bump to protect the lens. And if you are attaching your camera with the mount side can go here, and it let's say you are mounting it on top of selfie stick, then you can put that camera inside the cover, and the selfie stick still can be attached to this one. So it's a perfect fit for this camera. It gives the safety as well as the good protection. I really like the design of this, and all the Telesin product, they are also very compatible with DJI products. So give it a try.